Okay, we are going to see how to install Ruby on Rails. There is not so many videos on YouTube about this. Okay, how to install Ruby on Rails in Windows. First of all, to install Ruby on Rails, we need Node yarn git. Okay, let's install Node.js. You need to download this version for Windows. I already downloaded, so I'm not going to download any of this Node, and you also need to download yarn. I'm going to give these links in the description. You can download Node yarn git. After downloading Node yarn git, I recommend you to download Rails. Okay, if we go to this page, not .dev, .org. Okay, here we can see Windows Ruby 2.3, but latest version is about 3 something. But we need to download this. I already downloaded, so I'm not going to download this. You can download this. Once you have downloaded this, then I recommend you to install Ruby through this link. Okay, this one, the bolded one, the bold line, you need to download this. After if you click this, it will directly take you to the downloading page. Okay, after you have downloaded this, you should check for command prompt. Okay, check everything is installed. First node, as you can see, it is installed. Node.js is installed. Yarn is also installed. Git is also installed. After you installed these three, we are going to install Rails. Rails is also installed. Then Ruby. Now we have all this, and check for gem also. Okay, after you have installed this 5, you should check gem version. If it is not installed, you should use this command. Add the command gemv gem install Rails. Okay, now we have everything we need. Now let's create a new Ruby project. Okay, to create new Ruby file, to create a new Ruby app, the command is Rails new, whatever may be your app name. For this video, we can create this app name. Install Ruby installation. Testing, we will name it my Ruby app. Okay, plus, as you can see, it is creating the Ruby app. First of all, I need to say that I don't know Ruby. I'm just started learning. So I teach you and I also learn. Wanted to learn Ruby from YouTube, but there are not so many content. All the videos are from 2 or 3 years back. While it's installing, we will see Ruby on Rails. These are all the apps. Even though Ruby on the Rails is not so popular in 2023, but these apps are all popular in 2023. These are all built by Ruby on Rails. So there is still jobs around this one. If you go and check Ruby on Rails job, there is lot of job opportunities greater in big companies like Twitch, Shopify, because even GitHub is also built on Ruby on Rails. You can change that to any like Postgres or anything you need, any database you like. But I am not going to change that now. Okay, as you can see, it's installed a basic Ruby app. Now we will go this file. What of cd first Ruby app. What's it? The file we did. My Ruby app. Okay. cd my Ruby app. To start the server, you need to see Rails server or Rails. Yes. As you can see, it's starting the server and it's successfully started the server. Server is listening on the local host 3000. So we can go to the local host 3000. Fuck, it's getting late. Once it started, we can know it started or not here. It's still not yet open. Okay. Why it's not opening? It's getting very slow. Okay, you can see after installing our basic Ruby app, it's created so much of file. The gem file is like package.json. It's how base you can see it installed Rails, Sprocket Rails, SQLite, Stimulus, JBuilder. Hard. This is the latest thing that came on Ruby on Rails. Hardware. I don't know what it is, but you can see in this website. Okay, so it's still not coming there. Okay, the app file is the main file. You can see in this app file there is a models view and controller. Model view controller is MVC pattern. So it will generate a basic template to make a CC model view controller MVC pattern. The views is the file that has the front end. Okay. And controllers is like now it has nothing. It's just an empty function. In Ruby, they don't say it function, they say it method. It started. Now you can see basic Ruby app is created. Okay.